Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to name a pin on Apple Maps. And let's get started by open Apple Maps application, and I'm going to quick drop pin. So we have it. Right here I cannot change it. Nothing happened, but if we move, if you click at the profile icon at the right top, at the right side, then move to the places, we have it in the recently added, but if I click at the three dots, I cannot change it. I can add the note, but not rename it. So click at the pinned line, and right here you need to find this marked location. Click at the information icon near to this location. And at the first line we have label. Click on this line. Remove the old name and name it. Let's call it test. Then click at the check mark to save this new name. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!